The DOOGEE BL9000 smartphone released in 2018. It is powered by Mediatek Helio P23 MT6763 chipset, 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. The DOOGEE BL9000 runs on Android v8.1 Oreo out of the box. It comes with a LiPo 9000 battery, non-removable battery. It features a 5.99 inches IPS display with 1080 x 2160 resolution. The IPS technology is one of the most leading LCD technologies in the world. The camera of the DOOGEE BL9000 is equipped with Autofocus. Autofocus is a camera feature that fine-tunes the focus of the camera. It is a nice feature of this smartphone. BL9000 is 3G and 4G capable. This smartphone has a built-in GPS receiver. GPS is a satellite-based navigation system that allows the determination of the exact geographical location on Earth. The BL9000 comes with near-field communications NFC functionality for transferring content with other NFC-enabled devices. This DOOGEE smartphone has FM radio receiver. The smartphone sensors measure physical quantities and transmit them to the application processor. The phone's accelerometer is a built-in electronic component that measures tilt and motion. A fingerprint sensor is one of the easiest and most secure ways to protect your smartphone. The proximity sensor detects when a user is holding the phone near their face during a call and turns off the display to prevent keypad presses and battery consumption from the display. The BL9000 has dual SIM capability, which means that you can insert 2 different SIM cards and use them both from one phone. DOOGEE BL9000 supports wireless charging. Even if virtually nothing has been determined, one feature is already certain. The DOOGEE BL9000 also supports wireless charging. Key charging capability has been more common in smartphones lately, while last year it wasn't at all the case. But it's interesting how well this harmonizes with the imitation leather back. Actually, a glass back is much more practical.